Alright, welcome back. This time I'm gonna open, ta-da! This is my OOTD for my Arirang concert in Singapore. Let's try and open it. Ta-da! This one, it's a BTS Arirang T-shirt CD box set. T-shirt and CD box set, so you can see. Ta-da! My fingers does not work properly. ASMR. And you can see their faces. Oh my god! Oh my god! What actually says here is that it has black or white random shirt. So I'm hoping it's black because I'm not really good in white. I mean, I'm very clumsy, so I'm hoping, finger crossed, that I will get black. Oh my god, careful. Oh my god, I don't want to scratch the box. Okay, there you go. So just open it a little bit. And let's go. Forever is yet to go, yet to go. Yes, I was listening to that song earlier. Ta-da! Oops. Ah! Oh my god, I know. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Let's see. I'm so nervous to open every single time. There we go. Ah, there's actually a CD inside. I mean, not thinking. It's a CD box, of course. There's a CD inside. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It has a song. So now I have two CDs. One from the album and one from the shirt. But it's okay. It's all worth it. And now, oh my god. I think I got white. You can see here. I think I got white. Ah. I need to be very careful on the concert. It is white. It's white. Let's open it. It's white. I don't know if it's gonna fit me. It looks small. Oops. Drink that and you die. Oh my god. Ah, I got them all! Oh my god! It's big enough, so it's okay. Kitana! Ding 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 ding. It has their album list and the logo. I'm sure happy! Oh my god, I'm gonna wear this on the concert. So I spent my money on this, and this is my OOTD already. So need to save money. This is the OOTD on the concert, and I'll give you a heads up during the concert. Ah, the actual concert. Oh my god, look at it. So good. It smells so nice. So number 1 is Buddy to Buddy. Hooligan, Aliens. FIA 2.0. Number 29, Swimsuit Merry Go Round. Merry Go Round is my favorite song in this album. Normal. Like Animals, They Don't Know About Us, One More Night, Please, Into the Sun. Actually, I keep saying Merry Go Round is my favorite song. I also like Buddy to Buddy, Into the Sun. I like everything. Okay, so yeah, and this BTS thing, and that's not it. I can see here there is something inside the box. What could it be? Oh, their logo. What could it be? What could it be? What could it be? I'm not good saying. Okay, don't judge. You look, but you don't judge. Oh my god, I think. Poster. Oh there, it's their poster. I got another poster. Oh my gosh. This is my JK. JK is my bias, okay. JK. And my bias wrecker, Suga, right here. Suga, my bias wrecker. Oh my gosh. The one that lead me to BTS, J-Hope. Oh my god. And then of course, I'm so happy now. So I got a poster. So inside the box, you'll get, let's fold it properly, I don't want it to get ruined. A poster. A CD. Should I open it? Do I want to open it? What if I open it? Will I wreck it? Should I open it? Help. Should I open it? It looks so perfect. I feel like I don't want to wreck it. Okay, I won't open it. I'll be just happy to see this like this. Because I have another CD from the album itself that I bought last time. So I got like that CD and this CD and CD. Oh my god, so sus. And also this shirt. So this is my OOTD, so excited. Okay, OOTD here. Yeah, I'm just gonna be very simple. Just a shirt. And probably I'll find a hooligan vibe bottom outfit. Could be a skirt or pants, I'm not sure yet. But I think I have a hooligan skirt already, so I might use that one in this. So that I won't spend money on because my original plan is to wear a handbook. But I told my friends since we bought this is our OOTD. I don't want to spend any more money, okay? Nika is not rich. But I'm happy that I'm getting this. Okay, I'm gonna keep this, I'm gonna fold this and put it away somewhere nicer with all of my other stuff. So yeah, this hooligan logo, Arirang logo, and BTS logo on the side, and another Arirang logo on the side. And of course, I need to continue with my other stuff, which is for the concert. I'm preparing bookmark and some stickers and some bling blings. I didn't have a copy here, but yeah, see you guys in Singapore. Bye.